Hello and welcome to my channel. Today with the help of this video I'm gonna show you how you can make interesting gold metallic finish rose painting just on a plywood. And this is what the fun fact about this video. The board which you all are seeing here was in fact dry fruit gift tray which I got it in Diwali. And intentionally I didn't discard this plywood because it seems to me a very useful item. And I believe buying canvases for every new painting is an expensive job. And so this tray serves the purpose of mine. While watching this video, you'll get to see many interesting ideas on how easily you can paint rose and how you can convert this plywood into a luxurious, expensive, metallic gold finish painting. So before you watch further, I request to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Simple way to make rose leaves is with the help of palette knife. You just need to tap a little with a light pressure on the dotted colors and automatically the leaf structure will appear. Don't worry about the untidy positioning of leaves because gradually we will be painting roses on it. As you all can see, these leaves are almost ready and now this is the time to make mixes for creating roses. Now this is crimson pink and scarlet lake color, little bit of yellow deep. My crimson pink color just got finished, so bought fevicryl acrylic color pink 18. Mixing it with white titanium to make beautiful light pink shade. Before drawing roses on these leaves, better it should be dried, so blowing it dry. With the help of round brush number 2, I'm drawing the roses gently. The entire process is so much fun. I really enjoyed. I'm sure you all will enjoy it too if you'll try. Isn't this small roses are so much cute? Here we go, part 1 of this painting is almost done, and now we are moving to the next part where we are going to turn this painting into very luxurious metallic painting. So here I'm going to use pearl metallic gold code 352 brand fevicryl pearl metallic color. With the help of sponge, I am tapping the product metallic gold on it and rubbing it so that a texture of gold finish comes out. Spread and smoothen the gold paint all around the surface and see how beautiful it is looking. The metallic finish. The entire plywood is turned into a metallic board. Beautiful. Yay, it's ready. Now what you all are waiting for, try this simple technique and make your own masterpiece. Hope you all liked this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.